I just booked a hotel room for $6 a night here at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. Let's go check it out, folks. Here it is, the Flamingo Hotel and Casino, folks. Here's the hotel's new lobby. They completely changed this whole lobby up. Look how much different it looks. A lot nicer. I got a bar right there now. Let's go get checked in over here. Look at that, $5.60 a night. Wow. Look how many elevators there are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them here at the Flamingo. Let's go check out our room here. 9, it's got to be this way. I mean, these hotel hallways are so long here. This is a short one. There's a longer one over there. I see why they have so many elevators. They have so many rooms here. Somebody's partying. They're partying. 21. Let's check this room out. Here we are. Let's get some light in here. Boom. The Flamingo room right here, ladies and gentlemen. A little less than $6 a night. You have 2 beds, 2 queen beds. You have a fridge here as well. That's awesome. Let's open it up. Nice little fridge. Decent looking TV as well. Not terrible in here. Definitely some scuff marks here on the wall. Someone must have been kicking it. A little scuffy there as well. Bed looks fairly clean. Bed looks all right. Let's see under here. Not too shabby. We have a nice view here. Let's see how we get these bad boys open. It's like jammed up. Oh, they got them locked. You gotta unlock them. I've never seen that. Okay. Oh, they have this one locked too. Oh, they got them over these hooks. Okay. Okay, interesting. Never seen that, but okay. Here we are. Look at that view. Got a view of, can't really see it because of the glare, but a view of the Sphere, the high roller as well. Let's maybe turn the lights off and then see if we can see it a little better. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's a little better view. Okay, that's kind of nice. Look at that. Oh, the Sphere is like a cloud right now. Okay. There's the habitat down there. Oh, cool. Sphere's changing. Let's check out the bathroom. Let's turn this light on. Turn this light back on. Here is the bathroom. Not too shabby. Got a toilet right there. Pink wallpaper, it looks like. Decent shower, fairly big. It's clean. I mean, it's clean. It is clean here for $6 a night. Got a little bit of scuff there. A blow dryer. Ooh, that sink is looking busted, folks. Wow. That's gross. That is slightly gross. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. All that calcium buildup. I don't know. It looks like it's been underwater in the ocean or something. It's been accumulating. What's this? We got a closet here. Okay, a closet. Decent. A little safe there. This is the go room, so the cheapest room that they have. but it's a very good price for $6 a night. Let's read you a little Flamingo fun facts. It opened in December 26, 1946, making it nearly 80 years old. It is generally regarded as the oldest continuously operating resort on the Strip. Bugsy Siegel is the name most associated with it, but interestingly, he didn't originally come up with the Flamingo. The project was conceived by Billy Wilkerson, founder of the Hollywood Reporter. Siegel later took control when Wilkerson ran out of money. It was named after Virginia Hill, Siegel's girlfriend, who was nicknamed the Flamingo. The original Flamingo was designed to be Hollywood glamour in the desert rather than the Western theme. Bugsy Siegel was unalived while staying at Virginia Hill's Beverly Hills home. It still remains unsolved today. The resort has a flamingo wildlife habitat, which is one of the Strip's unusual attractions and features actual Chilean flamingos. The resort has thousands of rooms and sits at the extremely valuable Center Strip intersection of Las Vegas Boulevard and Flamingo Road.